Hello folks, and welcome to AirSimWorld. This video will briefly show you how to start your first airline, acquire your aircraft, and get started on setting up routes and flights. So first thing you want to do is on the AirSimWorld website, you want to create an account, and then press the My Airlines tab. This will take you to the game itself. On here, it takes you to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you have a list of all your airlines, as well as a wizard to start your new airline. Since we're a new airline, we're going to use the wizard to start a new airline. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to select a world. Currently there's only one world, so we're going to select that one and press next. Now on this page, we will select our airline name. So let's say for this airline, we're going to call it North American Airlines. We're going to select a 2-character IATA code, so NA, and a 3-character ICAO code, so we'll select NAA. Next, we'll select our headquarters. This is important because this is what's going to determine any political restrictions that we face. We're going to base ourselves in the U.S., and we're going to base our airline in Washington, Dulles, so IAD. Then we're going to press next, and then press Create Airline to confirm our settings. This takes us to our airline dashboard. On our airline dashboard, we have a chart that will populate over time with your balance and your airline value, so you can see how your airline grows over time. And also you can see your most and least profitable routes. Currently there are none because we just got started. Also on the left side, you're going to see your airline balance, and you're going to see the current date of the SIM. So let's now go to the aircraft tab in the new marketplace to purchase a new aircraft. As a new airline, you get the advantage that your first aircraft order will be delivered to you instantly. So let's go and buy an A310-300. Now, first thing we notice is that we don't have any seat configurations for this aircraft, so we can press the New Configuration button to be taken to the Edit Configuration screen. And here we can select which classes we want to add. By default, your airline has first, business, and economy classes in the game. However, you can customize those in your My Airline tab and then service cabins. However, for this purpose, for this demonstration, we'll just add a business class cabin. And we'll say that we want 5 rows of business class, and I kind of shifted. Let's be a little bit more generous with the seat width, give it a 222 configuration, so we'll say that the seat width will be 22.3 inches. And now let's add the economy class cabin. Again, we can be a little bit more generous with the seat width. There you go. Give them a 242 configuration in economy. Now we'll give this configuration a name. We'll call this the A310 configuration. And we can also see that we now have 30 business class seats and 248 economy class seats. And we also accidentally created an extra economy class section, so we'll just delete that. So we have 30 business class seats and 248 economy class seats. So now we can go back to the new marketplace and go back to order our A310. Select the engine option, select the seat configuration, and since we can only purchase one aircraft, we'll only get a code for one aircraft, and then we'll confirm that purchase for $21.4 million. So we'll say purchase, and there you go. Now you'll notice that our aircraft was delivered to us instantly. So we have our aircraft now, so now what we can do is we can go to flights and market research to see what route we want to start. So let's start a Washington Dulles to Los Angeles route. So we'll say IAD, Washington Dulles, and we'll say LAX, Los Angeles. And then we'll search that. So now on this page, we can see a map of our route. We can see that we do not have any flights on our route, and we can see that no other airline does either. We can also see that there are 1,940 passengers every week that want to go on this route. So let's provide that service to them. Let's press the Add Flight button, select our aircraft, and open the scheduler. So now on the scheduler, we see a timeline, like a weekly timeline for our aircraft schedule. We can see that currently this aircraft has no flights, so let's add one. Let's add a flight that leaves at noon local time, and, well, the program will determine when it arrives. So to create a flight at noon, we're going to be 5 hours behind GMT, or Greenwich Mean Time. So we're going to add a flight at 17:00. We'll say on Monday from Dulles to LAX. So there we go. We have our flight added now. Now let's add a return flight because your flight log has to be connected. Your flight schedule has to be connected for the aircraft. So we'll say now we're adding a flight from LAX to Dulles. And let's say that we're going to add it on Tuesday. We're going to give it a plentiful turnaround time of about 3 hours. So we're going to add a flight at midnight GMT, which is going to be about 7 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, or 7 p.m. local time. So now we have our 2 flights. Let's press the save button, and now you can see success. So we have the timeline for our flight. Now we can close out of the scheduler, and when we close out of the scheduler, this will create our flight. Now let's adjust the prices on our flight. So to adjust the prices on our flight, we're just going to edit the price. So let's say for business class, we're going to charge, let's say $1,100. And let's say for our economy class, we're going to charge $600. Let's update that. Now you can see that it's going to take a couple of seconds to actually update the flight, but you can see that as it has updated, we have a full capacity load in both our cabins, and we're creating an income of about $217,000 per week. So there you go. That concludes this tutorial on how to start your first flight in AirSimWorld. I hope you enjoy this game, and thank you.